Joey, you got your teddy bear, huh?
I was producing on the movie the whole time, and before I knew it, my scene was here, and I didn't get
Good boy, Joseph.
and it was just all very boom, 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 boom.
Come on, take it again.
So we'll start the first half of
Take him again.
the dining room scene, and then
Take him again.
you and Victor, and then your big torture scene. Now let's
Good
go on
boy.
to the torture scene.
Good boy. You holding your teddy?
Awesome work, okay?
Or is this a doggy? You're holding your doggy? Yeah, Joseph.
The scene, I was a little bit nervous to actually go in front of the camera.
Good boy.
Mine was the last.
That's your doggy friend.
Oh my gosh, I don't really consider myself an actor.
Are you holding him?
Going out of my comfort zone here.
Take him again. Good boy, yes. Good boy, you switched hands. Get him again. Come on.
Where I walk into a dinner party
Yeah, use both hands.
and all of the people at the
Freddie, what are you doing, Freddie?
table ask, and they're acting really weird. They don't say anything.
Good boy, you got him by the ear now. Yay. You can put him in your mouth too if you want.
And Brady, you'll come in and sit down.
He's your little bear.
This is just acting. But when I walked into the room,
Get him, Joey.
I truly felt
Good, grab the ear.
intimidated and nervous and uncomfortable about sitting down at that table. It really did freak me out.
Yeah. Good boy. Hug your bear. Hug your doggy. Hug your doggy. Okay, we've had enough. Have we had enough already? Good boy, you're holding hands.